La Playa Ursula ulit. But now, I'm pregnant. Last time we were here, I was single, waiting for my wiggle-wiggle. Pero andito na yung wiggle-wiggle ko.
So, balik muna tayo in time bago tayo makarating ng LU. So, actually, ang tagal na namin plinano na magbiyahe sa baba. Alam nyo, yung tipong plano ng plano tapos hindi mo tuloy-tuloy. So, 2 hours and 38 minutes, 2 p.m. head start. And dapat maabutan namin yung sunset kasi yun yung goal natin. 2 p.m. kasi nga yun yung time na makalabas yung mga kasama namin from their commitments. And muntik talaga kami hindi matuloy na naman kasi nga ang rainy and scary ng weather. So, kalkalpas ng bagyo ito. And really, I want na push na to kasi I'm 6 months going 7 and at this time gusto ko talaga mag out of town bago ako mangitlog at kating-kati na talaga akong lumabas. And aside from that, ang real challenge dito is siya. Siya si brother namin.
Pasyal namin ang aming kapatid na ang tagal na hindi lumalabas na hindi nakakapunta ng baybaying dagat.
Na 2 times lang yatang pumunta ng dagat. Ang tagal-tagal na namin kinukumbinsi ito na lumabas. Pero hindi nga siya mahilig mamasyal. So nag-abro pa kami ng time. Pero sa lagay na to, ang dami naming stopover. And as for me, na Juntes, masyado akong nagutom agad kaya nag-stop over pa kami sa Sablan. Wala pang halfway no na. And then we settled again. And along the way, sa San Fernando, bumili pa kami ng pasalubong kahit hindi pa kami mamabalik ng Baguio. Mainly food trip actually. As for my brother, ayun naman, kahit papano, chill lang naman sila ni Kuya Totoy. Hindi halatang natikitan sa Baguio dahil coding niya.
One eternity later.
Head north on Backnoten, Luna, Baloan Road.
Finally, narating na namin yung Baknotan, La Union.
We have arrived. Ay, wow! I can show you the world over there!
Na-feel na namin ang init ng summer. Salamat at safe kaming nakarating.
Happy! Ayan, happy sila oh. Yay! Wow! Wow! First time.
Picture. Alam nyo ba na ang La Playa Ursula is a Spanish word which simply means ang karagatan ni Ursula. By the way, sa mga pupunta dito, I would advise you na call ahead of time kasi 6:30 p.m. call time na nila sa kitchen.
Sa pavilion, bawal pong pumunta doon pagbasa. So, dito na lang kami kakain for tonight.
Wala lang arte-arte pa. We went straight ahead sa pinunta namin doon, which is swimming.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Basta ang dress ko.
Float or sing.
Experiment kung mag-float nga ba ang tiyan ng buntis. Hindi ko pa ito nagagawa kasi walang nag-film sa akin. Pero I'll try.
But first things first is to get settled with our booked rooms with the help of our accommodating staff.
Tour muna tayo. Ayan, magkabilaan yan. Like I said, standard, tapos family itong gilid. Ito yung family room. Diba? Napaka-spacious. Ayan. Meron pa tayong extra bed. And then, ang kagandahan nito, itong pinakamalaking bed, meron siyang pull-out bed dito. Dito bali we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beds, 1 closet, television, and sino yun? Oh my God! Wow! Ito naman sa labas. Oh, sinampay. So basically, meron tayong veranda, a table, chairs, and over here sa veranda, dito yung view ng swimming pool, and of course, the beach front. Dito po ang standard room ng La Playa Ursula, o diba? Ang ganda. Comfort room. Nice and neat. I like it. Yan. Yan po ating OOTD for today. O diba? Napaka-mami. Mami na mami. And then, walang tao. Siyempre.
Day 2.
Good morning, guys. Yan. Yan ang La Playa Ursula in the morning. Diba? Good morning. Punta tayo beachfront. Yan, open na ang beachfront. Hello, Anne. My baby is so calm. Saan ka sanda? Nilita swimming pool na ka, no?
Ilang ka din naman.
Abaka.
So binilisan na naming mag-aura muna sa beachfront. Nas in harap pa mismo ng view deck ng La Playa Ursula. We are lucky enough na mabutan ang fresh na huli of the day na seafood. So ito rin yung additional breakfast namin at 7 a.m.
Habang naghihintay tayo ng breakfast by 7, punta muna kami ng seaside. Hintay ako nang hintay ng sunrise, tapos din pala sa west. Grabe, basic. So, it's time for our breakfast. Maya-maya lang isa-serve na ang breakfast.
7 a.m. breakfast time. Na-serve na yung checklist nila. Last night, like combination ng fish, corned beef, eggs, and so on. And also drinks like hot chocolate and coffee.
Breakfast time! Ganito pala yung lasa ng fresh na fish, yung bagong huli. Sarap.
A few moments later.
Kuya, ihanda ang swimming pool. Magsiswimming si baby. wala.
Tuloy pa
Meanwhile,
din ang swimming at happiness. While nagsiswimming yung iba, sumaglit muna kami sa highway para ihatid si Ate Abel for her early balik sa Baguio. Pero na-lost kami while finding our way to the highway.
Lost. We were lost. Ligaw kami, pero tignan nyo naman tong nakita namin. Karayan. So, from this river, luminate niya yung ocean. So, alam niyo ba na ang estuary ay yung pinagsabatan ng ocean at saka river. Between that, naglalaok yung mga water, may lukewarm water, at dyan, makikita yung mga very rich na lamang dagat like, balik ka dyan. Very rich na lamang dagat like shrimp, clams, shells. Shrimp, crab, and shells.
eventually,
Bili kami munchies sa Jollibee. Bakit not us? Because you can't get enough of Jollibee. Ayan, siya po ang aming mama driver. Mama, literally. Ako on time. Pero siya, nakikisakay na nga lang ako. Ako pa yung on time. Di ba? Dapat yung may sasakyan siya yung on time. Sorry naman. Oo. Kaya ka naman sa nakikisabi.
Nagdadrive na nga kita. Ako pa ang hindi on time.
Oo. Sorry naman. Oh, sorry daw anak.
soon after.
Overall, our trip is well-deserved. Especially sa mga kasama ko, nakapamilya kasi ever since sila yung nag-alaga kay lola namin bago siya tuloy na maalam sa mundong ito. Sa kanya namin nakuha ang ating signature na goodbye outro na happy lang. And surely Lola would want us to enjoy every bit of our lives in nature na nakatulong sa healing ng aming pag-grieve for her. It is also a time for us to reflect, meditate. And as a first-time mom, this is also the best time for me to reflect on what the future holds for us, for me and my husband's future family. All thanks to La Playa Ursula, na-achieve natin ang masayang trip na ito at sa wakas, after 20 years, naipasyal din namin ang kapatid namin. And lumabas na siya sa kanyang mancade, and as of now, addict na po siyang mag-travel. Bitin pa nga, kaya push na kami sa isang unplanned summer destination bago umuwi. But that's another video, abangan! And para sa food and travel vlogs with beauty, humor, and more. Thank you for watching, and till next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Kita-kits sa next video. Happy lang!
Gaganong ko kasi may tinitili-tili ko eh. Okay na, I got the shot. Ay!